Hello everyone, welcome to Datables. I hope you are all doing fine. This is our new video on how to create date table in Power BI using DAX for beginners. Now let's see how to create a simple date table in Power BI using DAX. So here are the steps to create a date table. First, open Power BI desktop and click on Modeling tab. Then click on New Table to create a new table. And then in formula bar, enter following text formula to create a date table. So I will copy this code from here. I will go to this Power BI desktop. Then from this table tools, I will click on this new table. I will paste the DAX formula and then press enter. You can see a new table is created, DAX date table. You can change the name, like let's say change it to simple date table. Now the name has been changed. Now you can see here that we have two formulas to create date table. Like either you can use calendar function or you can use calendar auto. We have used calendar auto, so it will detect the range of date from this food sales table. And then we have extracted year, quarter, quarter number, month name, month short name, everything we have extracted. So you can modify this code as per your requirement. Let's say in this month short name, instead of this comma, you need dash. So we have month short name plus year here. So instead of comma, you can write dash here, then press enter. You will see that it is changed to dash. Now let's again change to comma. So everything you can change here using this DAX. So I think this is very clear to you. You just need to copy this, then paste it in your PBIX file, and then you can simply create DAX table. So this is a calendar date table with calendar year. So guys, that's all for this video. If you find this video insightful, then please do like this video and subscribe to our channel. And feel free to ask anything in comment section. We will try our best to answer all of them. Check us out on different social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter, and check our websites, that is datawolves.com. So we'll see you in our next video. Thank you. Bye.